day once again, and welcome back to Fierce Vlogs. So today, don't worry, hindi tayo magiging karaoke channel. As you noticed doon sa description ng aking title, we're gonna feature mga kitchen gadgets that makakatulong talaga sa inyo when it comes to yung mga daily cooking nyo to make it easier at the same time presentable, kasi ako maarte ako when it comes to the presentation. So I make sure na aside from the taste, it is visually appealing, kasi syempre ang unang kumakain sa atin ay mata. So make sure na yung itsura niya, lasa niya is masarap. So if you're interested sa mga topics topic natin today, keep on watching. Alright, so to continue, ito na nga, we're gonna feature yung mga items na really help me sa kitchen na sobrang mura lang. First item that we would like to feature is this grinder. It's a manual grinder, pero ang mura lang na kakapili ko nito sa Lazada. I think this is 100 plus. I'll post the link doon sa description box below. And it's very easy. You don't need any experience o sobrang technical here. So you place nyo lang sa loob yung garlic or the onion to chop, and then manually pull the string. Perfect siya for yung mga daily use nyo lang na gusto nyo mag-chop, mag-mince ng mga garlic. Lagi ko itong ginagamit kapag nagme-mince ng garlic. And then, ang second item natin is, if you're the type na gusto nyo yung round, yung egg nyo, perfect yung pagkapa-fry ng mga eggs nyo and torta, this is what you need. Alright? So, the usual, init lang kayo ng pan nyo and all. And then, kapag may oil na siya, drop it there. And then, put the egg inside. Perfect na pang-fry ito ng egg. Dito namin ginagamit para hindi siya yung like scattered egg. Especially when you're doing mga fried eggs sa breakfast. This is your kitchen gadget. Alright. This is an egg fryer molder. I think, ano yung tawag nyo dito. There. Third item. Okay. Iba kasi yung pag-mince nyo sa garlic. Iba pa rin yung pag-crush. Some recipes would require you to crush your garlic. And this is my gadget for that. Simple lang naman. Put the garlic inside and then crush it. Alright, for fourth item, if you like yung mga carrots nyo or potato, what else do we cut here na may shape? Na magkakaroon siya ng shape. I think this is, I forgot anong tawag dito. Zigzag crab slicer. I don't know. Help me guys, what do you call this type of knife? Ayan, yung ganun-ganun siya. Chenes. I don't know what you called it, but I use this to cut my carrots and potato. And then, for the fifth item, alam niyo yung pag nagbababad kayo ng mga pork chop, tapa, para mag-well na ma-incorporate yung lasa, this is what I think this is called the meat tenderizer. So when you press this, there, matutusok-tusok yung meat nyo or product. Then mapapasok yung mga marinade nyo sa loob ng meat. There. When you press it, papasok siya. So this is the meat tenderizer. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Bye!